Hey friend, welcome or welcome back. Today I have Melodysusie in the house and I'm going to show you guys this beautiful gift box that they sent me. They sent me this in PR and I'm super grateful. This is a plant-based gel polish kit and I believe Melodysusie is the first to introduce this to the nail industry. This is the literal ultimate blend of beauty innovation. It took their team about 2 years in rigorous screening and testing to create each hue just perfectly, and each color is actually named after a flower. I thought this bundle of flowers was so cute to put in this mini nail polish bottle. You can act like a vase for it. How cute is that? Totally obsessed. And I believe these are real flowers because they actually smell. This entire kit was absolutely mind-blowing. Like the extra stickers they put in here, the nail art brushes, the mini vase with the flowers, like you can tell they really took their time and created this gift box, and it really shows. I get total vintage vibes from this gift box. One thing I wanted to point out about brushes of any kind, you do want to clean off the wax layer that they have on there, so make sure you pay attention to the instructions on anything that you're using that's brand new. This plant-based gel is also HEMA, HPMA, and TPO free, and it's also free of 21 toxic substances that can be commonly found in gel polish regularly. So, hello, amazing. Like I said, they really took their time with this, and I can honestly say that this is probably the nicest PR package that I've ever received from Melodysusie. Like the brushes, the stickers, the bottles, the detail of the packaging, just amazing. And the fact that they put so much into these polishes, the fact that they're HEMA free, HPMA and TPO, and 21 toxic substances less, which actually makes this polish have a less chemical odor, if that makes sense. So literally, to me, each and every polish had its own unique flower smell. Let me know if you have this kit or the same kit with different colors, whatever. I would love to hear your feedback if they actually do smell like flowers to anyone else besides me. These polishes are actually also self-leveling and they have a super high gloss to them, even without a top coat. So that's another thing that I noticed. And, you know, on top of that, with all the less chemicals, it's just a win-win. So basically for my set today, I'm doing a vintage, I'm going for a vintage pinup style look. I'm utilizing all 4 colors that came in this kit today. And I'm even going to mix a few of the colors together to get other colors out of this kit, which you'll notice me do throughout the video. But all the products that I'm using today are from Melodysusie, and I'll leave the links with the discount code that they provided me down below so you can save some money. And don't forget to check out the different colors that they have in the kits, because this kit is just one of many. They do have other kits that have other colors in them, so check it out. And don't forget to use the discount code so you can save yourself some coin, girl. Yeah, I really hope you enjoy this kit as much as I do. I loved everything that came in it. But for now, I'm just going to create my set, and I'm doing 3 Frenches and a bling nail with 3D roses that I created with the red polish, and I'll be back closer to the end to show you the final look. want to thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Shout out to Melodysusie for sending me this amazing kit in my PR. Shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. I love you all so much. And until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.